Tonight, shocking allegations. $100 million scheme selling thousands of nursing diplomas, now called fake by federal prosecutors.
Our healthcare professionals play an important role in our public health system. We therefore expect our healthcare professionals to be who they claim they are.
Wait, the bears are what we thought they were. What we thought they were.
Can you tell me the difference between a heart attack and a myocardial infarction?
Oh, easy. A heart attack's when you like, ooh, ah.
Oh, it's the worst one. This is the big one. I'm dying. You hear that, Elizabeth? I'm coming to join you, honey.
You know what I'm saying? And then a cardiac infection is when you like, ooh, ah, ooh, ah.
In life, there is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Operation Nightingale is here, and the birds are starting to sing. Y'all stay tuned.
Get to the chopper!
Salute! And welcome back to Unknown Soldier Radio.
Get to the chopper!
And I'm Dog Tags.
You're going to be a soldier!
Yeah! This sting operation, known as Operation Nightingale, was named after Florence Nightingale, who was born in Florence, Italy in 1820. And Florence Nightingale is the founder of modern-day nursing as we know it today. If Florence Nightingale only knew that her name would be tarnished to conduct a federal investigation regarding the code of ethics in the hospice care community, or in this case, the lack thereof.
You can't make this shit up. Get to the chopper!
Time of death, 4:16 p.m. Nurse, call the coroner.
Don't touch that dial, Mary Taylor Moore. Boy, this hospital is an accident waiting to happen.
More than 24 people, a group of school administrators and recruiters, have been accused in a wire fraud operation to sell phony nursing degrees, creating what prosecutors describe as a shortcut around educational requirements set by the state nursing boards.
They prepared and sold fake nursing school diplomas and transcripts to nursing candidates, knowing that the candidates would use those false documents to, one, sit for nursing board examinations.
The investigation, known as Operation Nightingale, feds issued warrants in 5 states and say that 3 schools were involved, all in Florida: Sacred Heart Institute, Siena College of Health, and Palm Beach School of Nursing. All 3 institutions have since shut down, so efforts to reach them were unsuccessful. But federal investigators allege between 2016 and 2021, more than 7,600 students obtained fake degrees, paying out about $15,000 each for a total of $114 million.
Yes, now look at this here. Garbage. It's filled with money.
The older I get, the less surprising shit like this is.
I've been around, you know.
Because this serves as a reminder, just like death serves as a reminder of life and vice versa. See, these stories are needed every once in a while to show us all how flawed we actually are as humans. And there's no length that we wouldn't go to sometimes to pursue our dreams. And money is not the root of all evil. People are.
You can't make this shit up.
And it's not like this is the first time in history something like this has happened. It's just the fact that these particular people got caught. This happened back in 2017 with a nurse, well, fake nurse, by the name of Jennifer Renee Jackson, and she was practicing nursing in Colorado Springs without having a license, and luckily for her, all she received was probation.
You can't make this shit up.
Oh, nurse, would you pull my finger?
No!
Okay. Now, assume from backdraft.
My children were born in the hospital.
The desperate cries of the sick and injured would now go unanswered.
Oh, well. I guess I'm just a splash in the pan.
The Bears are who we thought they were. That's why we took the damn field. Now, if you want to crown them, then crown their ass. But they are who we thought they were, and we let them off the hook.
In life, there is no elevator to success, and sometimes you just have to take the stairs.
You and your friend got a choice. You can either go out that window or take the stairs.
Okay, yeah. We're gonna take the stairs. We'll take the stairs.
Salute! From Dog Tags.